the Coins podcast was really amazing, and the timing was so perfect to sit in the San Francisco Mint and talk about the future of finance was a lot of fun. I'm just one of a whole bunch of excellent people you have, right? These interviews are very good. It's not often that we get a chance to talk at a bit more length about some of these capabilities. So there's plenty of good interviews in there. I definitely recommend watching.
The message is something that's important to get to people. People are pretty primed right now to be, willing to look into a crypto product and excited to do so.
Absolutely fantastic. I think you guys do a great job organizing everything. The interviews and the dialogue is fantastic. I've had nothing but great experiences.
It's a good reminder to people that money is a story that has changed throughout human history. Money has changed, how it's used, the technology around it has changed. And Bitcoin is clearly like this next evolution of how money and value can work. And part of understanding it is to understand the history of the monies that came before.
It was a great interaction. I think, again, you guys always organize amazing events, amazing speakers. I always learn new things.
So you had the patience to take a person like me that is a shy developer and trying to express myself, tell my story. I believe that was great. I know that you had many great guests, so I cannot wait to see that.
It's so important to me personally and to our efforts to have so much support and backing from so many wonderful people, including you all. Yeah, how you really made me feel. I was sick. I was very ill, and you sent me flowers. It was so nice. And besides, intellectually very savvy, have a heart. You really do. And I just really am very uplifted by that. And through me, Ross is too. And so I'm very grateful.
What matters is the next billion people. It was an honor for me to participate in the Coins project. And this is big. Getting the next billion people. That's what matters.